How about pizza for dinner? 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 Tối nay ăn pizza thì sao nhỉ? How about pizza for dinner? That sounds like a great idea. 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 Nghe có vẻ là một ý tưởng tuyệt vời đấy. That sounds like a great idea. How about going to the cinema? 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 Hay là đi xem phim đi. How about going to the cinema? I'm not really in the mood for a movie. I'm not really in the mood for a movie. I'm not really in the mood for a movie. I'm not really in the mood for a movie. I'm not really in the mood for a movie. I'm not really in the mood for a movie. Tôi không thật sự có hứng thú xem phim. I'm not really in the mood for a movie. How about you? 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 Còn bạn thì sao? How about you? I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. 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 Tôi đang rất ổn. Cảm ơn bạn đã hỏi. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about we start now? 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 Hay là chúng ta bắt đầu ngay bây giờ? How about we start now? The sooner the better. 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 Càng sớm càng tốt. The sooner the better. How about a cup of coffee? 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 Làm một ly cà phê nhé. How about a cup of coffee? I'd love one, thank you. 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 Tôi rất muốn một ly, cảm ơn nhé. I'd love one, thank you. How about tomorrow morning? 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 Sáng mai thì thế nào? How about tomorrow morning? Tomorrow morning works for me. 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 Sáng mai tiện cho tôi đấy. Tomorrow morning works for me. How about asking him for help? 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 Hay là nhờ anh ấy giúp xem sao? How about asking him for help? I think he's too busy right now. 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 Tôi nghĩ lúc này anh ấy đang quá bận. I think he's too busy right now.